Hello 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today, let's make lemon chicken. This is a crispy and delicious fried chicken recipe that's easy to make. Now let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients for the chicken. The exact amount is in a description box.
Let's start by trimming the chicken. Then we cut the chicken in half. After cutting in half, we need to tenderize the chicken. You can use a mallet, but I am using the back of my knife. Next, let's cut a few lemon slices. Then squeeze the lemons into the chicken and mix the lemon slice in. Now add water, salt, garlic powder, and white pepper. Mix everything together and cover it. Let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour while we make our sauce. To make the sauce, we need to first load the lemon. Then squeeze the lemon juice out. I use a fork to help get the juice out. Now strain the lemon juice. Then add sugar and water and mix everything together. Next, make a cornstarch slowly by mixing cornstarch with water. Now beat some eggs to use as an egg wash. Then use cornstarch and panko for the breading. Now dip the chicken breast into the cornstarch until it's evenly coated. Then dip it into the egg wash and let the egg drop off before adding to the panko. Cover both sides with panko and press the breading down on the chicken. Flip it over and do the same for the other side. Now let's cook our lemon sauce. Add the sauce into a pan. When it starts to boil, stir the sauce and slowly add in the cornstarch slowly. When the sauce is thick, remove it from the heat. Let's heat up some vegetable oil on medium heat to fry the chicken. I check if the oil is hot enough by using bamboo chopstick. If the chopstick is bubbling, then it's hot enough. Add the chicken in to fry. Make sure to flip the chicken every couple of minutes to cook evenly. After 9 to 10 minutes, remove the chicken from the oil and the chicken is done.
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! The chicken looks so juicy. I can't wait to try it. Outside is very crispy. Inside is very tender and juicy. It's very delicious. You can taste the lemon in every bite. It's very good. The sauce is perfectly sweet and tangy. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。